Ano pa po kabalin? Kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. Today's vlog, we would like to thank Takoyuri. Ayan guys. For sending us their platters, actually, we have 5 flavors no dito po sa mga pants na pinadala nila. Now, I wanna start here. This is their cheesy extreme, and then this one is cheesy floss. Ayan, so gusto kong tikman to kagad guys. So the best thing immediately right after na mapadala sa inyo itong mga takoyaki na to is to eat them while it's hot. Oh wow, I like it that it's not salty. At the same time, very evident yung authentic Japanese taste ng mga takoyaki. Okay, now this time I wanna taste this one. Is a cheesy floss. Now this time yung sauce natin doon is a little bit sweet. Before we continue with that, I would like to jump into the other flavors that they sent us. So this one is the Octopus. Ayan. So from the name itself, of course, meron tayong octopus bits inside of it. Cheers guys. Super love the smoky flavor. Sobrang lasa niya. Then again, I have to comment, hindi siya ganun ka-salty talaga. So, ang sarap ng umami taste niya. Napaka-savory. Okay, so itong pan naman na to is their ham and cheese. Also, no, yung mga takoyaki balls nila are a little bit bigger dun sa mga usual or yung standard na takoyaki na nare-receive natin dito. Again, I love the smoky aftertaste. Wow! So last pantry naman natin is yung kani and corn. I'm gonna get this one right here. Oh. Wow! You actually get the variation, no? This one naman is somewhat a little bit crunchy because of the corns. But in terms of a really strong flavor, I think you would go for this one. Itong Octobits natin. This is, again, really flavorful. Dahil dyan, titingin pa ako ng isa. So, very true to their tagline. It's crispy in the outside and so juicy in the inside. So, see, not dry, it's really moist and juicy. Now, I would like to mention po yung kanilang mga stores. These are their existing and open stores. So, meron po tayong Santo Domingo, Minalin, San Nicolas, Minalin, San Matias, Santo Tomas, Pampanga, San Vicente, Apalit. We also have sa San Pablo, Mexico. Meron din sa Cabanatuan, Nueva Ecija. Wow! They also have a branch at Rizal, Nueva Ecija, San Leonardo, Nueva Ecija, Talavera, Nueva Ecija, and San Simon, Pampanga. And very soon, they are opening sa Tondo, Manila, sa Santa Rosa, Nueva Ecija, and another one sa San Nicolas, Pampanga. Now, if you are interested to partner with them by being a franchise, so they are actually looking for you guys. What a way to invest your money through investing to a business, kagaya ng mga takoyaki stores such as this. Okay, so again, if you're interested to contact them, we're gonna leave the information below that you need to contact. We're gonna be providing dun sa caption area natin. Okay, so I'm gonna enjoy this with the rest of my merienda time dito sa bahay. So until then, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and stay safe. Until then, guys, hope to see you in the next video. Peace out. Bye-bye.